A lot of people have been asking me, how do you make your designs pop? How do you make designs that look so sharp? I'm here to answer that question for you. And I'm not just going to answer it by talking randomly. I'm going to show you, and you are going to follow the steps I use in achieving popping designs. And by the end of this video, you will know how to make high quality designs by using these two tricks that I'm going to share in this video. All right, let's go. We are right here in PixelLab, and I'm going to show you the trick that will help improve your design quality by 5 or even 10 times. This trick I'm about to show you is very simple. Now I'm going to use an example. Let's say you want to design using this dimension, this square dimension here, this box. You don't want the dimension to change, but then you also want the quality to be retained. How do you do that? Now, if you go to the image size, you will see the default pixels here is 12 by 80 on the height and 12 by 80 on the width. Now, by the time you are done designing with this default pixel here and you save your design, and after doing color grading, you upload or you send to your client, you find out that the quality will drop drastically. That's when some people complain and say, after designing, I don't know why my design drops in quality. This is actually the reason. So what do you do when you want to maintain this ratio but also want your design to have a higher quality? What do you do? I'm going to show you a very simple trick. So here is the trick. If you want to maintain the same ratio, you don't want the height, the width to change. Here is the trick. Let's say 1280 pixels. We are going to times it by a certain number so that we can get a higher number of pixels. Now here's the trick. Let's say 1280 times 5. How much is that? That is 6400 pixels. Let's enter it here. 6400 pixels. Now there are times where the pixel, the height and the width might be different, but because we want to maintain the same ratio, we want to maintain the same height and width that we have in the default canvas. This is the trick. Times 1280 pixels times 5, it will give you 6400 pixels, and you hit OK. Now as you can see, the same height, the same width has been maintained, but what happens now is that our pixels has increased. So by the time you save your image and you do color grading, your details will be retained. Now that's not the only thing. Let me show you the last trick. If you go to save as image and you choose the format, which is PNG, most times the dimension, most people will tell you choose ultra. Don't choose ultra. If you want the pixels that you entered to be maintained, just leave it like this, where you can see the 6400, 6400, and go to save to gallery direct. What happens is that it will save your design in the original quality that you entered, because if you go to ultra, and you save it as ultra in PixelLab, by default, if you save your designs in ultra, the pixels does not go higher than 3700. But when you leave it at this default here, when you choose PNG and you decide to leave it like this, where you can see the pixels and save to gallery, you will have far more higher pixels in your design. And this is a trick I've been using for a very long time. I hear a lot of people ask me, how do you do this? How do you make your designs pop? So this is the simple trick that I use to make my designs pop. So go and try this and give me a feedback. And please, if you find this information helpful, don't forget to drop a comment, like, share, and drop a follow.